Ever feel like parenting is just one meltdown after another? You're not alone. But what if there was a calmer, more connected way to guide your child? Let's explore 5 gentle parenting techniques that truly make a difference. Before addressing misbehavior, take a moment to connect. Kneel to your child's level, make eye contact, and speak with empathy. This builds trust and makes them more receptive to guidance. Instead of issuing commands, provide choices. Ask, would you like the red shoes or the blue ones? This empowers your child and reduces resistance. When your child is upset, remain calm. Your composed presence helps them regulate their emotions and teaches them how to handle frustration. Allow natural consequences to teach lessons. If a toy is misused and breaks, it's a learning opportunity about care and responsibility. After disagreements, reconnect. A hug, an apology, or a shared laugh can mend bonds and reinforce your loving relationship. Gentle parenting isn't about perfection, it's about connection. Implement these techniques to foster a nurturing and respectful environment for your child. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful parenting tips and resources.